Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna see how to recover your TikTok account. You need to search for feedback form. Open your mobile browser and then search for TikTok feedback on Google. Tap the correct results, which is usually the official TikTok support page. Under the contact information section, you'll find two fields, email address and username. In the How Can We Help field, clearly explain the situation, mentioning that you need help recovering your password. Now, just submit the form. Once completed, tap the Submit button. Wait for 3 to 5 business days for TikTok's response via the email address you provided. And that's it, guys. This method helps when you can't reset password directly from the app. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.